everybody. It is Thursday morning and I am going to vlog today. I just took a chemistry test. Let me set this down so we can talk. I just took a chemistry test and it went pretty well actually. I was really nervous about it, but we did good, so that's good. And now I am going to go to the gym. Actually have gone the last 3 days, I think, and I'm like really sore, but I just love being sore. So like when I'm sore, I'm more motivated to keep going because like I don't want to lose that. I don't know if anyone else is like that. Maybe I'm just weird. But so I think we're gonna go to the gym and I think I'm gonna do like more of a cardio day today because I did legs yesterday and I did upper body the day before. So I'm like just sore and I just kind of want to walk on the treadmill at an incline for a while and get like a really good sweat in. Also, I don't know if you can tell with my voice, but like I think because it warmed up the last couple days, I'm like getting allergies from like the warm front coming in because the last 2 days I've had like such a sore throat and like my nose and eyes have just been so itchy. So like that's not been fun at all. And then I think tonight for dinner I'm going to make that like TikTok feta pasta that has like gone viral, and I love feta cheese, so I was like, I mean, it looks good to me, so I'm gonna try to make it and I'll show you guys that later. But yeah, I don't really have a lot planned. I just need to get a couple homework assignments done and just stuff like that. Also, I wanted to share, I just got this water bottle from Amazon and I had like one very similar to this, but it was way bigger, and this is like already so big. I don't know how I had a bigger one than this, but it has like all the times of the day, so like you keep track of like how much you're drinking, and then on the side it has the ounces, and up to here is 75, so I try to drink like one whole one a day, but I really like it. And honestly, I got this because I saw Harry Styles has it. Like I saw a picture of him with the water bottle and I'm obsessed with him. Kind of embarrassing, but like I just bought it because I was like, oh my god, I want the same water bottle as Harry Styles. But yeah, so I bought another water bottle, but I like it.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end.
I'm back from the gym and the grocery store, and I unloaded all my groceries and put them away and everything, and I am sitting down to like do some homework and eat some lunch. I guess this is a lunch. I cut up one of my Cara oranges I just got, and then I made banana bread yesterday, so I'm gonna eat a piece of that. And I wanted to share something because like this never happens, but I literally got the highest score on my chemistry test from the class, like average, and I guess someone just didn't do it, but yeah, I'm like proud of myself, even though like it really wasn't that hard, but like still it does feel good. I'm just gonna eat this and finish 2 assignments for my online classes, because I have 2 classes that are 100% self-paced, and I always get like, I just like forget about them, and then like for 2 days a week I like grind it out, and then like I forget about them for another 2 weeks, and then when the checkpoints come in I'm like, oh my god, I need to finish them. So I need to finish some stuff for that assignment, or for that class. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I am so hungry and tired, honestly, and like there's just like a lot going on in my personal life that I'm not gonna talk about like on my channel ever, but I just like personally struggle with a lot of anxiety and depression in my life, and it's something that like I didn't really like acknowledge or like take care of until like really recently. Like I kind of just was like, oh, everyone has it, and like I'll just live with it. But I've found like just so many like resources and stuff, and like things that have started to actually help me, and like realize that like you don't have to live every day like in anxiety. And so yeah, I'm kind of being vulnerable right now, and it's kind of weird, but I do want my channel to like be a place where people like can relate to me, and I'm kind of having like a hard time, if I'm being completely honest, like finding my like niche on YouTube, because I feel like so many college YouTubers, it's like very like the same content, and I don't want to be the same as everybody else. Like I want there to be something different that like makes people like my videos and like come to my channel. And I do feel like opening up about like mental health and just like talking about it more, because I do feel like a lot of people struggle with it, and I know a lot of people struggle with anxiety and like other mental health disorders, but like I just want people to know like they're not alone. And yeah, so like I'm not really sure where this is going, but I just wanted to be honest, because like I would be like lying if I said like today is like such a good day and like I'm like having a great day, but I'm not. Like I'm not. And some days it's like really hard to just keep like pushing yourself to keep doing things. And yeah, so I just kind of wanted to say that thing. Like I'm definitely not licensed, or like I'm not a therapist or anything, but I have learned a lot, honestly, in the last just like year that I've started to try to take it really seriously. And I'm nowhere near done by any means, but yeah, I just feel like I want to like share that part of my life. That's basically what I'm trying to get at. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my homework now, eat this, and we'll see what I get into. I don't know.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Guess what we're doing? Cleaning my room again. All I do is clean my room. Also, I got really stressed out and started like picking at my face, which I should not have done.
Destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
just having a little snack for dinner because I'm hungry. I feel like I'm always hungry. And I feel like I'm always just showing like food on my vlog. Hello. Hi, honey. You guys, I am like obsessed with frenemies, especially Trisha Paytas. I have always been obsessed with Trisha Paytas, and like this show has made my life so much better. Like, if anyone else is obsessed with Trisha like I am, please comment down below. I just find her so interesting, and like I genuinely really do think she's a great person, you know, like I think she means well. Anyway, I have just been watching this and like eating, so very productive day, but I just love them. Okay, I'm going to attempt to make the TikTok pasta, but you're supposed to use feta and they only had mozzarella cheese, so I'm just gonna use mozzarella instead. But I'm gonna also make chicken with it as well because I don't want to just eat pasta for dinner.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. I love the things you said to me. It seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this.
Here it is after about 40 minutes in the oven, and I think you just mix it up and then like pour the pasta into the dish. I should probably read the recipe. Coffee, and I'm going to take a quiz real quick and then prep for my lab meeting at 2, and that's pretty much all like the homework I have to do today. I probably won't go to the gym just because I'm like really sore and I'd rather just like rest today, but I don't know, I might go later, we'll see. But yeah, so I'm going to take a quiz really quick. I'm about to get ready. We only have like 45 minutes, or no, yeah, I have plenty of time. We have like an hour to get ready, and then we're gonna go out to a bar down here called B12 and just like hang out for the night for my friend's birthday. We're gonna get some like food and drinks and stuff and just play like games at a table for a couple hours. And yeah, so I am going to do my makeup really quick. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, and curl my hair. But yeah, so I will probably just do like a time lapse of me getting ready. ready. I did my makeup and my hair, and I put on these necklaces. I'm wearing a couple rings as well. And then I'm wearing this like cardigan I showed in my haul. The cardigan is from Nasty Girl, if you guys are interested. But yeah, I feel like I haven't gotten ready in so long, so it feels nice to like get dressed up for something. And then my jeans are from American Eagle. They are the curvy mom jean. I love them.